Okay, wait, so wait, this is the Burger King one?
Yeah, this is the pickles, ketchup.
I like it.
peanut
Really?
butter.
Pickles?
Even though it's
You can't even
cold.
tell. You can't even tell
That it's cold.
that there's peanut butter in it.
There's peanut butter in it?
No.
Yeah.
Now I got it.
So what's the motivation for
Oh,
putting
actually,
peanut
that's
butter
good.
on a hamburger?
I don't know.
Let's just see what it would taste
I
like.
can taste
So it's
it,
just one
but
of those
Yeah,
random
yeah.
facts of life.
I just like Burger
Yeah, it
King
was like
burgers, I
F-
think.
FYI.
That was actually really good. That was.
Well, so do you
actually
want more peanut butter? Grab some peanut butter. Put some more peanut butter on.
No, because I
I
got
could
peanut
do it
butter.
without
It was like an
peanut butter.
after like thought.
It's not
What's
bad.
going on with this
I
one?
just
What's
like
happening
that.
here?
That's
Here.
just.
Oh yeah, it's probably setting some more.
Me
Straight.
and you will split, and then Harley can never beat that.
Oh, look
What,
at this.
what do you think, Harley?
Ow,
Good?
I'm horrible with the knife. Okay, go ahead.
It wasn't so bad, actually.
Should we get like one of those micro lasers so you can
Okay.
cut like...
Harley, did you like that one? You like that one? Can you taste the peanut butter?
This one I got way more peanut
Is
butter.
there peanut butter on this one too?
It adds a sort of consistency to it.
Yeah.
Good or bad?
I'm not.
It's the first ever hamburger I've
50-50.
had that sticks to the roof of your mouth.
I think just a little bit of peanut butter can be magical.
Taste it?
No,
I
I
couldn't
don't-
But
taste
too
it.
much peanut butter is not a good thing.
I
Yeah.
can't taste
Yeah.
it.
Eat the whole thing. Maybe there's more like further down.
You like that, Harley?
Because I couldn't taste peanut
Is it
butter.
It's
good?
hardly noticeable on the McDonald's one.
What do you think? Let's get the kid's eye view. Is it delicious?
So 2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
She should just taste the hamburger.
We gotta remember that, sweetie.
The Burger King one, I think the Burger King burger is just better
Yeah.
in general.
It's
So like
weird.
it just tastes better.
Oh no, I got peanut butter.
Even with the pickles, it like the peanut butter is not bad in that.
It's weird how McDonald's and Burger King taste distinctively different, don't they?
Totally.
Because Burger King is flame
I can
broiled.
see the peanut butter, but I
They
don't
flame
taste
broil
it.
Burger King.
Yeah, I know, it's on the
McDonald's
edge
is
there.
grilled.
I like
So
them
there you
both in
go.
a different way.
It's not bad.
No.
It's better than peanut butter on
I think-
pickles.
That was horrific,
How about
by the way.
peanut
I I think the beef, it had something to do with the beef.
Yeah, because
Alright.
meat and peanut butter like kind of go together. It's like kind of like a Thai thing, you know, like you
Yeah.
Oh,
like
yeah.
like pad Thai or something. And
Right.
you
Oh,
have
yeah,
peanuts
yeah,
in it.
yeah.
Like that works with meat, but like I think the mustard is kind of an odd
It is.
Yeah.
flavor with the.
Yeah, same with the ketchup and the pickle. Still
Yeah.
pickle.
So
But,
the tart like with the peanut butter is weird.
Peanut butter? I think it's a
Again,
little
though,
weird.
I still think that the bread and the peanut butter, the mix of that, it just sort of adds a bit more thickness and gives that peanut buttery aftertaste.